Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure in Palam Vihar, Delhi. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to identify the condition of existing roads and determine the requirements for new road construction projects. Their expertise lies in assessing the layout, design, and functionality of roads, ensuring that they meet safety standards and provide optimal convenience for commuters. The surveyors in Palam Vihar utilize advanced technologies and tools to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations, allowing them to create detailed maps and plans for road construction and improvement projects. One of the key aspects of road surveying in Palam Vihar is the focus on SCON design. SCON design refers to the careful planning and execution of road intersections, ensuring smooth flow of traffic and minimizing congestion. Road surveyors analyze the traffic patterns in specific areas and determine the most efficient layout for intersections, taking into consideration factors such as vehicle volume, pedestrian safety, and traffic signals. By implementing well-designed SCONs, road surveyors contribute to reducing travel time for commuters and enhancing overall road safety in Palam Vihar. In Palam Vihar, Delhi, road surveyors play an integral role in the urban planning and development of the area. They work closely with government authorities, civil engineers, and architects to ensure that all road construction projects adhere to the necessary standards and regulations. The surveyors conduct extensive research and analysis to assess the feasibility of proposed road projects, considering factors such as land availability, environmental impact, and cost-effectiveness. Their expertise enables them to make informed decisions about road design and provide valuable insights for sustainable development. In the creation and upkeep of the road infrastructure in Delhi's Palam Vihar, road surveyors are essential. These specialists are in charge of performing surveys to ascertain the state of the current roads and establish the specifications for future road construction projects. Their area of expertise is evaluating the configuration, operation, and aesthetics of roads to make sure they are safe and offer commuters the best possible convenience. In order to precisely measure distances, angles, and elevations for the creation of detailed maps and plans for road construction and development projects, the surveyors in Palam Vihar make use of cutting-edge technologies and tools. The emphasis on SCON design during road surveying in Palam Vihar is one of its main features. In order to ensure a smooth flow of traffic and reduce congestion, road crossings must be carefully planned and implemented. This process is known as SCON design. In order to design the most effective intersection layout, road surveyors study the traffic patterns in a given location while taking into account variables like vehicle volume, pedestrian safety, and traffic signals. Road surveyors help reduce commuter travel times and improve overall road safety in Palam Vihar by deploying well-designed SCONs. Road surveyors are essential to the development and urban planning of Palam Vihar in Delhi. To make sure that all road building projects follow the relevant standards,